Ceiling fan with the world's worst cap. Here you go. This is how fast it goes on low speed. And high speed would have been low speed. Like it takes, hold on. There we go. Back up so you can see the whole thing. This would have been like a low speed. Turn this one on. This one's perfect. It spins fast. They both also sync with each other. They sync with each other, so they both spin at the same speed. And it's bugging out the flashlight is bugging out for some reason. Look at that. Like one of the bulbs are blue. Oh no! For some reason the camera is showing not blue. I don't know why it's yellow. Yeah, see the bulb is blue for some reason. This bulb over here is blue. And this one over here is like a pinkish white. And it's dim on this side as well. I don't know what is up with that, but